Santorini, one of the most mesmerizing islands in the world, a place where time slows down and every moment feels like a dream. This Greek paradise, born from one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in history, now stands as a symbol of breathtaking beauty, romance, and timeless allure. Located in the southern Aegean Sea, Santorini is the crown jewel of the Cyclades, a group of islands shaped by fire and water. The island's dramatic landscape was formed nearly 3,600 years ago when a catastrophic volcanic eruption collapsed the center of the landmass, creating the massive submerged caldera we see today. Today, Santorini thrives as one of the world's most famous travel destinations. The capital, Fira, is a vibrant town perched on the edge of the caldera, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Wandering its streets feels like stepping into a painting. Cobbled pathways lead past charming boutiques, lively tavernas, and cliffside cafes serving the freshest seafood. But it's Oya, the island's most picturesque village, that captures the heart of every traveler. Built like an amphitheater along the caldera, Oya is known for its legendary sunsets. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a masterpiece of color. Shades of orange, pink, and purple blending seamlessly over the Aegean. This moment, shared by hundreds of visitors gathered along the cliffs, is nothing short of magical. Beyond its visual beauty, Santorini is a paradise for food lovers. The island's volcanic soil gives its produce a unique, rich flavor. From the famous cherry tomatoes to the creamy fava beans and capers, every bite tells a story of tradition and heritage. For the adventurous, Santorini offers more than just stunning views. A boat trip to Nea Kameni, the still active volcanic islet, brings visitors face to face with the island's fiery past. Walking across its blackened lava fields, feeling the heat beneath your feet, and witnessing the smoking vents is a humbling reminder of the forces that shape this land. For those seeking romance, Santorini is unparalleled. Whether it's a candlelit dinner on a cliffside terrace, a private sunset cruise, or a simple walk through the quiet streets of Pyrgos, every experience here is infused with a sense of timeless wonder. Even the simplest of experiences, like taking a donkey ride up the winding paths of Fira or watching fishermen mend their nets in the old port of Amudi, adds to the island's charm. Santorini is more than just a destination. It's a place where history, nature, and human ingenuity come together to create something truly extraordinary. Whether you're drawn by its dramatic landscapes, its rich culture, or its undeniable romance, one thing is certain: Santorini is a place that stays with you long after you've left its shores.